I'm working in a subfolder that contains a lot of photos that I took at a hot air balloon festival. These are the different balloons. I want to point out that if you hover your mouse over one of these images, down in the lower left corner, you'll see the hyperlink that will open up that image. Now, if these are private and you're screencasting a discussion about doing this, if you hover the mouse over one of the links or the image, you're going to expose the hyperlink. And if someone who is not supposed to be able to get to that link happens to be seeing the video that you make by screencasting your action here, well, then they're going to be able to pause that video, write down the hyperlink, and go look at the image, even if you think it's private. So I just mentioned this because it's something that I've noticed comes up all over the place in the Screencast user interface. And if you don't want to expose the links that are down here, you want to make sure that you cover those in your resulting project with a blur. And that's what I do. I put a blur down here, and it usually covers the area out this way. And I scrub the project to make sure that none of these links accidentally come through.